Hi friends, Olya here. So today we will dedicate 10-15 minutes to our facial lifting. Do this in the morning or in the evening, but not too late. Leave yourself about 2 hours before bed. Make sure that your hands are clean. Find comfortable standing in a seated position. We'll be working with the back of our neck, with the back of our head. We'll work with facial puffiness. We'll dedicate some time to lift our eyebrows and our forehead. That's about it, so let's get started. To start, we will make sure that our shoulders are relaxed, so give them a little shake. Bring your shoulders up. Hold it for a few seconds and relax. Again, up. Hold it, squeeze, and relax. And last time, up, squeeze, and relax. Now connect your hands in the back of your neck, just like that. Slowly, very carefully, start bringing your arms up and your neck down. You're creating a wrinkle in the ape of your neck and your head. You're bringing your arms up. You're creating some tension in that muscle. And therefore, when you release, you feel nice and warm, like energy and blood flow through all those muscles. So next, put your hands in the back of your neck, just like that. And start massaging and vibrating just along your neck, all the way up to the ape of your head. You can go in the same direction or opposite. Do this on both sides. Again, your hands, this is your spine. Move along the spine, up and down. Every time you're performing any kind of self-massage, try to make sure that your body is relaxed. That's what I was saying. Maybe a comfortable seated position. I like to do it standing, but your hands should be as relaxed as possible. And if you need to shake it throughout, that's totally okay. But imagine that squeeze, tense up your fingers right now and try to do any kind of massage. It just doesn't work. So make sure that your body is relaxed so your muscles will be easier to sculpt. Now you do the same thing. Just massage along on the other side. Next exercise, I'll let my hair down. We'll massage your scalp. Also, try to do self-test. And when you put your fingers relaxed on your scalp, just give it a moment. Just kind of feel your skin, your connective tissues, epicranial aponeurosis. It's the third layer. A lot of the times, it's so tight that you try to move it from side to side and nothing is moving there. I'll make an example on the forehead. If you put your fingers on the forehead and try to move it, see how my skin, muscles are moving from side to side. Try to do the same thing with your scalp and see where you are. How much movement. Is it really dry? Is it really painful when you touch it? Or certain parts that seem to be a little more dense? So start massaging, maybe even pulling your hair. I like to just kind of grab my hair closer to the roots and relax, even close your eyes and start pulling. Don't worry about pulling your hair out. Whatever has to fall out will. Either you pulling it or not. And let go. And move your hands. to another spot, do the same thing. I guess that some parts will feel a little bit more painful. Let go. Do one more time. And relax. If you need to relax your arms and shake them in between, do so. And don't forget to breathe. Nasal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, long inhalations, long exhalations. Try to focus, even though you're doing something that's not exactly related to breathing, but just try to form the habit. Massage your scalp, strong fingers. Imagine a dog Shar-Pei, and imagine that skin with all the wrinkles in between. This is what you're trying to create right now with your scalp. Not just the top layer of skin, you're going into connective tissues, our fascias and aponeurosis. Massage, especially stay where you feel more pain. All right, let everything go. Give yourself a big hug. Hold your shoulder blades. Bring your arms up. Bring your chin down. Stay here for a few seconds. Try to relax your neck. Inhale and exhale. You feel how your rib cage is moving. Start tapping our forehead. Tap, tap, tap. Tapping from your eyebrows up. You can do it with vibrating motion. Strong fingers. If you'd like, you can also use your knuckles. Motion is always up. Now with your knuckles, massage your hairline. What we're doing right now, we are activating blood flow, lymph flow through our face, facial muscles. Now put your hands on your forehead and with a little bit of pressure, make sure that your neck is relaxed. Now we will bring our eyebrows up like you would, like this, creating wrinkles. But with your forehead, you'll be preventing from wrinkles to appear. It's a strength exercise. Relax, shake. Let's do it one more time. And count until 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it a break. Again, shake your hands. One last time. A little bit of pressure. Inhale, exhale, relax. Make sure your neck is relaxed and start bringing your eyebrows up, lifting them. And our hands are preventing, so we're creating a strength-like exercise. It's like you're trying to bring those eyebrows up, but we have some weights attached to it, and it's really hard to do. Right. Massage your forehead. Next exercise, create scissor-like position. Especially if you have those horizontal lines, try to have those lines, those wrinkles in between your scissors, and start massaging. You can do it this way. You can also create the scissor and and split that wrinkle and massage in between. So it feels better. Include a little bit of vibration. Move your hands throughout your face so you cover the whole forehead. You choose this option, or you can try one or another. Move from one temple to another temple. Go down. Okay, great. So next we'll be doing some eye lifting. Bring your left eyebrow up with your left hand just a little bit, and with the right hand massage through the whole length of your eyebrow, right underneath. 5 times. And now do the same thing on the other side. Massage and squeeze your eyebrows. I put three fingers along your eye on the bone. With vibration, go along the temple to your hairline and all the way up to the crown of your head. 5 times. Give it a little shake. Another side. The large muscle temporalis. It's connected, it's another muscle, it's connected to our masseter, our chewing muscles. A lot of the times they have a lot of pressure here, we're holding it, so our tension headaches often enough are associated with spasm and tension in those muscles. So not only are we creating some lymphatic drainage here, but also relaxing those large muscles. All right, the next exercise is going back to our forehead. And now we're working with our wrinkle between our eyebrows. So we're doing very similar to what we've done, but instead of bringing eyebrows up, we'll be doing this. So for some people it's not easy, other people it's like my problem. So easy, that's my natural facial mimic. So with a little bit of pressure in your forehead, try to create that wrinkle between your eyebrows. And the hands are preventing. Try to make sure you're not squeezing your eyes, your nose. You're not doing anything like this. Only with your forehead. Shake it, relax, tap. Do one more time. And count till 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Tap. Next exercise, we'll work with middle part of our face. So find that nasolabial fold right through here and squeeze it. You can grab it, you can use a little tissue, just grab it and hold it for a few seconds. And then massage. You're not pulling tissue around your eyes and skin around your eyes, it's just going along right in the middle. First you grab the fold, hold it for a couple seconds, and massage your cheek. Do the same thing on the left side, another side. A little hard to do without the tissue because it's slippery, but that's okay. This is just your starting point. This is where your nasolabial folds start, muscles connect. Three or four times. This very last exercise, we'll be massaging the same part, our cheekbone, just like that. You're kind of contouring our face along the bone on both sides. And the same motion up. Just saying thank you to your face. And if you'd like, you can massage your scalp one more time, see if it actually feels a little bit better now that you do it. Don't forget about the back of your head. Squeeze, massage. Again, give yourself a big hug. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up, so subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends. If you have any questions, please type word energy in the comments and let's start a conversation. Happy to help. My name is Olya. I'm your breath and wellness coach, and I hope to see you soon.